Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to whiten your skin, we're going to be using potato, the juice, and some natural honey. This is your natural organic honey, and the reason why we are using this is because the honey moisturizes your skin and keeps it soft and supple, while the potato juice is acidic and contains natural skin bleaching agents. This will help you to brighten your skin and make it glow. The potato also has astringent properties that help to remove excess oil. It opens up your clogged pores and tones your skin. The honey will keep your skin moisturized. So the thing we're going to do now is to grate our potato. I have washed this potato, and this is the Irish potato. I'll just grate it now in order to extract the juice. I'll just extract the juice of my potato now. So you mix it all together. Skin will be brighter, it will be lighter, and it will be well moisturized. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something good. Kindly share, kindly subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in other subsequent ones. Bye.